Hello everyone, my name is Andrew. I'm the Bazooka Prophet, and today is our continuation of our chemistry exam focus where we solve questions for A levels. Now the question is the wavelength of a moving body of mass 0.1 milligram is 3.312 times 10 raised to power minus 29 meter. Calculate its kinetic energy, giving you the Planck constant as you can see right here on the board. Now the formula that we will use are two. And the two formulas are the De-broglie relation and the kinetic energy, because that's what we are giving. Don't you forget that the De-broglie equation is lambda is equal to Planck constant over the mass times velocity. Without you be getting the velocity from here, we won't get this stuff that we're having here. So we come here to say the velocity is equal to the Planck constant, which is 6.625 times 10 to the minus 34 over the mass is, remember these are the parameters that we're given from here. 0.1 milligram is we convert to gram, which is what we have here to give me 0.1 times 10 to the minus 6 times the lambda, which is is 3.312 times 10 to the power minus 29. When we do the multiplication, we have it to be 200 meters per second. Thereafter, the kinetic energy is now equal to half times the mass. Now we have here is 0.1 times 10 to the minus 6 times the 200, which is the velocity times square, and the final answer should give me as should give me as 1 over 2 multiplied by 0.1 minus 6 times bracket 200 squared. Okay, that's 2 times 10 to the minus 3 joule. That is the final answer to that question. Move to the next question.